Xbox is axing a fan-favorite controller feature, and gamers are absolutely fuming. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The tech giant is quietly killing off the iconic expansion port on its controllers, which was best known as the slot for the legendary Chatpad. For years, this bottom port was Xbox's secret weapon, letting players snap on mini keyboards and headset adapters to dominate online chat. The three massive clues show the era's over. First, eagle-eyed fans noticed the new Forza Horizon 6 gamepad has the port completely plugged up. Second, leaked images of the upcoming Xbox Elite Series 3 controller show zero sign of the slot. Finally, Microsoft secretly updated its official store page with a warning that not all new controllers will include the port. It is a heartbreaking end for a feature that defined the Xbox One era. The Chatpad didn't just make typing text a breezer, it gave the controller a perfect, heavy feel the players fell in love with. While Microsoft hasn't made a major accessory for the port since 2019, keeping it alive on the Series X and S gave fans hope for a comeback. After all, this is the company that gave us the wild Kinect camera and the incredible game-changing adaptive controller. They know how to build cool gear. Sure, you can use a phone app to type or plug headsets directly into the headphone jack now, but losing the port feels like a corporate buzzkill. Xbox is giving up a unique feature that made its gamepad special, shutting the door on weird and fun add-ons forever. The pipeline is officially sealed. Rest in peace, Chatpad port. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.